Cordyceps is a unique fusion between a caterpillar of a particular species living underground, which feeds on a mountain fungus that parasitizes it from the inside. Known as the gold of traditional Chinese medicine, and highly prized for its incredible revitalizing and aphrodisiac benefits, it was traditionally reserved for Chinese emperors and noblemen. Thanks to cutting-edge scientific processes, Tian's Group produces and transforms this fungus into capsules, the Tian's Cordyceps. Among the active ingredients of cordyceps are ergosterol, cordycepin, and various other nucleosides, such as adenosine. Cordyceps also contains 20 types of amino acids, with a high content of vitamins, minerals, various alkaloids, and biological enzymes. About 7% cordyceps polysaccharides, 25% protein, and 8.4% fat. Cordyceps boosts immunity, enhances physical energy, relieves respiratory diseases, enables better resistance to radiation, strengthens and revives declining libido, lowers blood lipids, strengthens liver and anti-diabetic functions. It is an anti-aging and a natural antibiotic. The Tian's Cordyceps is a food supplement perfectly indicated for you if you have a weak immunity and therefore frequently catch flus or get sick very often, if you smoke, if you work long hours, are exposed to radiation from computers, mobile phones, if you do not perform well your duties in bed, if you suffer from hypertension, excess fat or sugar, if you have sleep disorders, if you suffer from cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases, if you have liver problems. Tian's Cordyceps is also highly suitable for patients undergoing radiotherapy and chemotherapy in order to eliminate their negative effects. Make Tian's Cordyceps your companion, 2 capsules 2 times a day, 30 to 60 minutes before meals with warm water. Your foolproof immunity is guaranteed, and you pay fewer visits to the doctor. Not recommended for people allergic to mushrooms.